Fly, root word, lupad, lupad. Past, nilupad, flew, nilupad, flew. Nilupad na ang eroplano. The plane flew already. Nilupad na ang eroplano. So our verb is nilupad. Na is an adverb. Ang subject marker. And eroplano is the subject. Nilupad, flew. Na, already. Ang, the. Eroplano, plane. Nilupad na ang eroplano. The plane flew already. Let's go to present tense. Flying, naglupad. Naglupad, flying. Naglupad ang langgam. The bird is flying. Naglupad ang langgam. Kindly take note that some locals will just say, galupad ang langgam. So instead of using nag, some locals will use the short form, ga. Galupad ang langgam. Flying is naglupad. Ang is the. Our subject is langgam, which means bird. Naglupad ang langgam. The bird is flying. Let's go to the future tense. Mulupad, will fly. Mulupad, will fly. Pagdali, mulupad na ang eroplano. Faster, the plane is about to take off. Pagdali, mulupad na ang eroplano. Pagdali, mulupad na ang eroplano. Pagdali means faster. Okay? You can just say dali. But when you say pagdali, it has more emphasis to move faster. Pagdali. Mulupad is to take off. Okay? Mulupad, to take off. Na, here is an adverb. Ang is the. Eroplano is the plane or airplane. Now, when the adverb na is right after the future tense verb mulupad, the meaning is it is about to take off. So, mulupad na, it's about to take off. Okay? Again, the translation of na is already, but in this case, if you are going to pair it with a future tense verb, like in this case, mulupad, the meaning will be about to take off. Now, let's have a quick review. Past, nilupad, flew. Present, naglupad, flying. Future, mulupad means fly, will fly. Okay, will fly.